Hello, my name is Jenny. Welcome to my channel. This is a cross-stitch channel where we talk about cross-stitch and projects and topics related to cross-stitch. This time I'm going to do an unboxing. So exciting! So yeah, here I have a present, a gift from Fat Quarter Shop. So let's make an unboxing. Oh my god. So yeah, I received this package yesterday. Yeah, and so I opened the box, but I haven't opened the actually the box where the item is. So let's make an unboxing. Here is the box. So pretty. Oh my god, I feel so excited, so happy. And it came in this carton box, really well protected. So let's open it. Well, first of all, this box is so pretty. Look, I feel like I'm on Christmas. So it's a floss and store acrylic storage box. So we'll see. It's a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Oh my god, look, it's a beautiful acrylic box. Oh my god, how am I going to do this? Let's see. Don't despair. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And I mean, the box is also so pretty. So let's wow. Look, the acrylic box, and it's heavy and it's beautiful. It's crystal clear. And oh my god, look, I'm opening upside down, but it's like that. Look at this, so pretty. And it has the logo. Let me see. It has the logo from Fat Quarter Shop. Oh my god. This is so nice. It has this, important weight. So yeah, and it's so perfectly done. I love it. I can't wait to fill it with my stitchy stuff. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And it has these little bumps in the in the base, so you don't scratch your furniture or damage the box. Oh my god, I feel like it's Christmas. It's so pretty, look. So let um, put some goodies on this box and see how it looks with cross stitch stuff. Yeah, okay. And I'm back with my box full of goodies. Let me try to show you. Look how pretty. And it's so, slides so easy. So here are some of my sulkies. I use Gutermann sulkies. So here are my sulkies. These are little wooden bobbins. These are some fancy flosses that I have, and in the back side, the six squares are my own hand-eye flosses. They look so pretty. Let me, like that. Look, isn't this a beautiful sight? Isn't this inspiring? I think it is. I was keeping my flosses, you know, in a little box, but this way I can see all of them. And oh my God, they look so pretty. And with the sulkies on the front, and then you close your beautiful box. Oh my God, it's something else. What a wonderful gift. Thank you very much to Fat Quarter Shop. And they have this gorgeous acrylic storage box on their website, and you can order this box, and you know, fill the box with beautiful pieces of fabric, or you know, scissors. Oh my God, the scissors here will look so pretty. I fill my box with the flosses, but yeah, I wish they are like a vision of little candies. Then you just love it. I love it. I love it. They look so pretty. Thank you so much. Well, this is my review, my unboxing. Ah, I feel so fancy. And yeah, thank you so much for this lovely gift to the Fat Water Shop. You can get this exact same acrylic box there. I'm going to leave the link in my description box. And yeah, it's wonderful. I didn't expect this gift, and I feel so exciting. I have a cup of coffee this morning, so I'm all, you know, active. I'm so sorry for the weird reflection. I dropped my cell phone, so yeah, the you know, the screen is all messed up. So this kind of, you know, effect filter is nothing more than my screen broken. So yeah, I will try to make the screen fix. So thank you so much for being here with me doing this little unboxing, and thank you for your support, and you know, buy me coffee. Thank you for these lovely friends who are inviting me a cup of coffees. I really appreciate. Sometimes it's not easy to you know, get access to all these goodies, and they are a little expensive. So yeah, always count with your support. It's wonderful to keep doing what we love to do, and what we love to share with you. So yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate. And as I mentioned in most of my videos, being part of this community and try to share my love for cross stitch and my love for this community is the reason why I doing these videos, and you know, sharing things about my projects and conversion, and sometimes dyeing fabric and flosses, and you know, personalizations, and it's all part of this lovely hobby that keep us together and let us, you know, create this wonderful community, and who inspire us and, you know, motivate us to keep doing these beauties. So thank you very much again. If you want to invite me a cup of coffee, I will let the link below. It's of course not necessary at all, but it's so much appreciate. So thank you, and yeah, have a great week, a great weekend. I'm going to stitch a little bit on my botanical garden. Let me show you my project. Um, oops. Let me see if I don't make a mess. Um, yeah, I will continue stitching on botanical. Yeah, she's so pretty. I haven't stitched much, but I really want to give her some attention this weekend. And I also I'm working on my red sampler, which is not a red sampler, but I make it I am making it a red sampler. This is by Blackbird Design. It's from the book Oh La La, and it's called A Bit of Spring. So yeah, I am using just DMC 115. So so pretty, and I'm oh my god, the the shadow here, it's so weird. Um, I am using a printed fabric, so yeah, it looks funky and weird and unique, and I love it. So yeah, well, this is my video for today. Thank you for being here again. I love you so much. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.